from Easy English Club, back with another British English lesson. Today I am going to teach you 5 advanced English words that you can use in your daily conversations. Alright, my lovelies, let's get started. So today's lesson, 5 advanced vocabulary words, help you guys with your English become more fluent. I'll help you with your pronunciation. I'll give you 5 words with a small explanation. Make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video and I'll give you some example sentences. Alright, let's get started. Alright guys, don't forget to hit the like button, leave some comments. Let me know how I can help you more. Don't forget the links down there to the training courses. Find us on Facebook. We've got a group and a page, and of course this channel. And we got some training courses as well. Okay, the first word I've picked for you is inevitable. Inevitable. It sounds complicated, but the more you practice, the more you'll be able to use this word in your daily conversation. So, inevitable. 4 syllables. Inevitable. Hold on a minute. 5 syllables. Inevitable. 5 syllables, guys. It just rolls off my tongue. Consequently, I thought there was 4, so it's 5 syllables. I'll put it down there in the notes so that you can practice this one. Inevitable. What inevitable means, it means something is bound to happen. There's no getting away from it. It's inevitable. Okay, the second advanced English word I've picked for you is vague. It's like a V sound at the beginning. Vague. What vague means, it means something's kind of not clear. It's like, say you could say your memory was vague, meaning it's not clear. Okay, the next word I've picked for you is obsolete. It's got 3 syllables. Obsolete. Obsolete. What obsolete means, it means something's no longer applicable, it's out of date, it's no longer used, like a cassette tape or a VCR tape, so that's obsolete. Okay, the next one I picked for you is outgoing. It's another adjective. It's got 3 syllables. Outgoing. Outgoing. We kind of say it all together. Outgoing. Alright guys, the next word I've picked for you is another adjective. Adjectives are kind of descriptive words. Use them all the time in your business and professional life. It's illegible. It's got 4 syllables. Illegible. Illegible. What illegible means, it means something is unclear, like a signature on a piece of paper that's been scrawled by a doctor. It's illegible. Okay. And now to use the word vague in an example sentence, we can say something like, I asked the taxi driver for directions to the airport. He was pretty vague. I asked the taxi driver for directions to the airport. He was pretty vague, as in he didn't give much detail and I got completely lost. Just kidding. All right, now another example. Vague. Do you remember the sales figures from last month? No, my memory is a little vague. Now, to use the word obsolete in an example sentence, we can say something like, where is the Java software? We no longer use it. It's now obsolete. A fly's come to visit. Delightful. Love doing lessons outside though. All right. Now, another example using the word obsolete. Last month's project plans are now obsolete. We've rewritten them. Last month's project plans are now obsolete. We've rewritten them. Example sentence using the word outgoing. We can say, the new manager has a very outgoing personality. He gets on with the team really well. Our manager has a really outgoing personality. He gets on with the team members really well. I like the new restaurant. The bartender is really outgoing. I like the new restaurant. The bartender is really outgoing. You know, when you're at a bar, no one to talk to, you need a bartender with an outgoing personality to chat to you. Okay, now to use the word illegible in an example sentence, we can say something like, does the document have a signature? Yes, but it's pretty illegible. Does the document have a signature? Yes, but it's pretty illegible, meaning, say, the doctor signed it and you can't read it at all. You know how that is. All right, another example. You know, you're staring at your cell phone and your eyes are stinging a little bit. Can you read this text message? No, it's a little illegible, meaning you can't see it, it's too small. Can you read this text message? No, it's a little illegible. Squint, squint, squint. All right, my lovelies, that's enough kidding about. Okay, that's you 5 advanced British English vocabulary words to help you sound more fluent. When you use advanced English words, it shows that you are sounding more like a native and you can understand us nutty Brits a little easier, nutty Brits. All right, my lovelies, thanks for your time. Don't forget to hit the like button. Give the video the thumbs up if you found it useful. It helps me and it helps the channel. Check out the training courses. Come and find us on Facebook. Follow me on Instagram and I will see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.